What's up, everybody? It's your girl Loveena back with another stuffing, cash envelope stuffing video. Yay! Yes, you guys. So we're coming back with part 2 of what Miss Teresa gave us. She had special instructions with this money on how she would like me to use the money. And like I said in the last video, I intend to do just that, you guys. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to stuff Jaiden's binder, okay, you guys? And also, let me just send a special shout out and thank you to everyone who has liked, subscribed, commented on your girl's video, because yeah, I sure appreciate you. You know, I'm happy to see you here. Thank you for choosing your girl to spend a little time with. Y'all feel me? So I appreciate you. I just wanted to say thank you. And I'm hoping and wishing abundance over your life, over your family's life, over your binders, and wherever else you need abundance in, okay? So let's get into this video, you guys. It won't be too long. We're just gonna do what Miss Teresa asked us, okay? And then I'm gonna let you guys go. Your girl worked today. She's tired. Not tired, I'm tagged. And don't forget, you guys, your girls do got those savings binders on deck for you guys. Don't forget, these are the colors I have available. We got that red, we got that blue, we got that yellow. We got that lavender, we got that black, we got that mint. Contact information is on my community tab, you guys. So let's get into this video. So let's see what we have left for part 2 of this video with Miss Teresa sent us. The blessing from Miss Teresa. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. $17, y'all. That's lit. That's a blessing. This abundance right here. This right here, you see this right here? Right here, you see that? That's called abundance. You gotta have the abundance going on, okay? And this your boy Jaiden's black binder. I sell these. These are one of mine. Yeah, ain't they? They real nice. They sweet. All right, you guys. So your boy Jaiden, he loves his hair, you guys. So, you know, you gotta stuff beauty for your boy, you know? And ain't nothing wrong with it. They into some hair on their head now, I guess, y'all. I prefer a fade. I prefer the nice, neat look. But they just ain't having it. We're gonna give Beauty $2 going towards some of his next time products. Because trust me, I go every month. Okay? So that's $2 in that Beauty for him. How y'all doing? How y'all week? How was y'all week? How's y'all weekend going, you guys? I hope everybody is in good spirits and in good health, you know? Truly, I do. In education, in case your boy needs some school supplies, maybe a little thing of glue or some paper from the Dollar Tree, whatever. And I'm going to always add to this, okay? So we're going to have $2 if something come up. And also, y'all know, he did have $15 in his envelope, but I had to take it out because his PlayStation membership had expired on your girl. So I just had to add $5 with that and take his money. So this blessing came right on time, and we sure do appreciate it. If you see this video, Miss Teresa, you are a blessing and we appreciate you. On gifts, starting him off, we're going to give him $2. So you guys, you see this $17, y'all. Just start. Like I always say, just start. Whether it's with 50 cents, heck, forget the 50 cents. You can scratch that even with a penny. Pennies add up. 100 of them make $1. So just start. You know, if you have any extra change, if you even had $2 laying around your house after you pay your bills, just start. Because it seems to me sometimes, I think you guys, like, even if you put up $2, somewhere you're going to get blessed with $1 or $2 or maybe more. Like, you know, it just seems like when we think, oh, I ain't got nothing, I put everything in the bank. Somehow, a lot of times, I ain't going to say all the times, you end up getting an extra something, even if it's an extra 50 cents. Shoot. That's just how I think. In entertainment, like I consider his PlayStation and stuff membership is entertainment. So this would definitely go towards his next month's subscription since we already just paid the other one, you guys. Yeah, so just starting is the key. And then on some of my lives, if you really on the budget, I did hold up some of my savings challenges. And you guys, take a picture. I mean, take a picture on your phone and go get it printed out. Or print it out yourself. My girl Heather, she laminated, but she didn't print them off on her phone, but she laminated stuff. So just go ahead and, you know, you can reuse that savings challenge, honey child, and keep it right on to moving. Next, we have the birthday, you guys. Yep, it was a good day today, you guys. It was busy doing my Instacart and Uber Eats today. So I'm happy. You know, whenever it's busy, that means your girl get to make some extra money for her household. I call myself a productive member of society today. Okay? A productive member. Savings, we're going to give your boy $5. Yes, that look good in there. That look good in there. That definitely looks good, you guys. Definitely. So then we have shopping. Casey needs some socks and underwear, t-shirts. We starting him off because he will be needing some stuff. But I'm going to continue stuffing too. And it's good that at least it's a start. You know what I mean, you guys? So in case you got kids, I'm no professional. Not at all. I'm not a professional. But this is what Jaiden binders look like, you guys. Okay? He have his beauty. This is like for unisex too. Well, you know, and girls should know that anyway. So if you got little girls or little boys or whatever, you need beads, braiding hair, or shampoo, conditioner, whatever, ponytail holders and things like that, headbands. Your child, if this was your child binder, should have beauty. Should always be education in there, especially if they're school-age kids. Jaiden has education. And that can go for like computer classes or, you know, any additional learning. Even, I would say even swim lessons. But some people will put another binder, like another envelope in here, especially if your kids are into athletics like swimming, hockey, and all that other stuff. Then you probably have a sports binder instead of education. And education will go for like things like learning stuff. But I guess you would be learning athletics. Hey, they got gym, they got sports in school. That's part of that's part of the education. So yeah, you guys. Then we have gifts. So this can go for Jaiden for gifts. It can be for his gifts or gifts for other people. Because like I said, y'all boy was invited to 2 birthday parties, y'all, back to back. And I had to give a gift for each party. You know, they didn't ask for one, but I just am a believer. And if my child go to your party, we not coming empty-handed. We're going to get a birthday kid something. We're not going to come and just eat your pizza, eat your cake, drink your sodas and pop and take a candy bag. That ain't right if anybody do that. That's not right. It don't feel good for a parent either to who give parties and people just come and don't bring no gift. Okay, entertainment. That's for like Roblox, PlayStation, etc. Well, that's my opinion. Y'all comment down below if y'all think if you get invited to a party, you should bring a gift. Especially a kid. Heck, adults too. If I have a party and any of y'all come, I want a gift. I want to gift y'all. I want to gift even if it's $5, even if it's $2. I want something. I want a birthday card. Okay? All right. And then we got birthday, you guys. Because all of our babies have birthdays, right? Right. Then we have savings. Hopefully one day my goal is to get him, just save as much as I can for him, to start him off, especially like after graduation from high school, to get a little car. So I will be writing goals on some of these things when I get a chance. I need to write goals on a lot of these envelopes. I think one video or one live I do with you guys, I'm gonna talk about my goals, and we're gonna write goals on here, and y'all can help me decide like what's reasonable and stuff like that. All right, and then we have shopping, because you know they always need something. They always need underwear, socks, especially underwear and socks, honey. So you guys, thank y'all so much for watching another one of your girls' videos. Hopefully this video isn't too shaky, because your girl is on her table and my arms is on the table. I prefer to lean when I tape so you guys can see the fingers. Okay, you guys? So you guys stay encouraged, stay blessed, and most of all, stay on your journey. Have a great day. Bye.